I made a few changes to the website, and I thought I'd spend a few minutes sharing what those changes are and introduce the new year range filter here. So I added a new way to search battles. I made a lot of changes to the code, cleaned it up, made it more efficient. I was able to cut down load time significantly by changing the maps. So if you watched the videos before, I mentioned that I was using Mapbox for the map. I've changed it and I moved away from that service, and now I'm using an open source version. So this is the original one. As you can see, it's a little plain. This map shows a bit more shadows. If you drill in, the topography is a little bit better on this one as well. And this applies to all three maps. Again, the light version here doesn't show much detail. It's pretty plain. The new version does have more detail, so you're able to see the topography of the land features a little better. And also the satellite. I like the satellite version of the new one better as well. So this satellite version was too bright for me. The dots are kind of faded in the background. This one's a little bit more neutral colored, the tones. You can see the dots a little better as well. It looks more realistic. Now for this year range filter, I added three components, right? Three components to the year range where you could filter battles. The first filter is basic text box filters, so you could enter the date range manually, and the appropriate dots will pop up for whatever range you're looking at. I also added a histogram here. Each one of these columns breaks up the time range by 25-year increments. If you hover over one of these columns, it'll list the year for this particular bar, as well as the number of battles that took place within that time frame. You could also filter battles by the slider here at the bottom. You could adjust the range by the high end and the low end. So the website is up. Play around with it. I'll have the link in the bio or in the description, depending on where you're watching this. And let me know your thoughts.